Okay. Wait, keeping the upper body lifted. Oh! Are you feeling this yet?
Yes.
Okay, add the leg bicep. Bring it in and out. Bring it up and back. How's everyone doing? Good? Bring it up and down. How many more do we have?
One more.
We have 4. 3. 2. Up and down. Up and down. 4. 3. 2. Next one. Bring it down all the way. We are over halfway through. See how much fun you have working out with Fitness Motivators? Okay. Wait,
Okay, stop. No, we're gonna hold on. We're gonna do 10 more minutes. That big old bug was crawling on my leg.
A bug was crawling on you?
Okay, you want to see it? It's gone. See, look, Donna, right there. Here, let me see.
Oh,
Oh my God, that was so ugly.
you're bigger than the bug.
Okay,
So we have 10 minutes left.
yep, and we're still recording.
Keep us at 5 for cool down.
Yep.
This is like some boring music.
Yeah, Deb, we don't want this little.
I know.